Yes, hello friends. This is my Tata Nano, and I am today going to show you how to change your engine oil. And to do that myself, I am having some basics tools. Actually, these are not professional tools. These tools are I bought from the payment from Sri Lanka. Generally you can get any from any market, and this is the special tool that I have from my which is most suitable to remove the oil nut and other some screw drivers and everything. And first of all, I have to introduce the proper way how to jack your vehicle. And every Tata Nano you can see these 2 points and this small notch, and here and as well here. And when you go inside you can see the bar like that. Okay, so that is the best position according to the user manual. You have to place your jack here, right? That's it. That is the first thing. You have to place your jack, and then you have to remove this cover, this mud cover. You have to remove this mud cover. Then you can remove your oil filter. Right, that's it. And to do that, uh, these are the tools that I need to do it, and I'll show you what are the things that I am going to insert. And this is the oil filter, and it is from genuine part. Always try to use genuine part. This is the oil filter. Generally I am replace this oil filter every 5,000 kilometers. This is unusual. And then you have to use the specific oil grade, which as says 15W40 ASE40, and that I am using. And so I think that's it, and let's see how we going to start from. Then I am show you. And inside, when you're going down, you can see the oil nut. This is the oil nut, and we need something like this, and this is some old oil can that I cut, and I need to seal this part. And this is the waste oil collector, and so I put it here, and that's other things, right? Okay. And now I'm going to change the oil. Let's do it. Okay, let's see with my next video. Keep on touch, I'll show you the every time I could, right? Okay, and this is something that you must know before you remove the oil nut from the bottom. You have to release this, at least one of this minimum oil level indicator or this oil cap, because you need some air to going from top to inside. So you need to release this to which that can lift air from before you remove the oil nut, and it will need to release them. Okay, I'll do it and open. I'll keep it as open, and I'll put this remove also. Now let's go. Now you can do remove the oil nut. Okay, now let's go to the down. Yes, now I am at bottom of the vehicle. There is no help I need. This is the way. Now we are a little bit tight. Yes, it's tight. Okay, now this is the way that I need to pull it down. Okay, let's. Okay, now we are going to remove the oil. Okay, I will take my switch off. Now, yes, now it's done. See, now is the oil is coming down. Okay, right, now we need to remove this cover. I remove all nuts and that's it. Right, now you can see that oil filter is on with orange color. Now I am going to remove that oil filter. Okay, this is the oil filter that we used, and last time I used not original one, genuine one. Now but this time I am using genuine one. See, this is the genuine oil filter, right? But before that we have to make it sure that oil from the is all the waste oil now is getting down, is finished. Let's see. Okay, now next thing is we have to fix this oil filter, and something I need to show you, a special tool which I made to match by myself to fill up the new oil, right? And oil level indicator, and I'm putting it release because it will need some air to go inside from the top. So that's it, right? So this is just little bit need some little bit hand-on experience. Okay, now let's see on my next video, and let's see on my next video how we remove all our waste oil. With next video I will show how we insert the clean oil in correctly. Make it sure, and I have to tell you some key things which I have get on my hand on experience. I am not tightening the oil filter more than my pressure. I am not tight my oil filter without any extra tool. Just I am tight my oil filter with my hand pressure only. So it will help me to remove the oil filter back again by myself. So most people doing it over tightening, but it doesn't need, because it have rubber seal and it is no any pressure on that oil filter area. There is no pressure, so do not worry about that. Just tight it on your hand pressure. Do not over tight, right? That is the main key thing when you are inserting the oil filter. So let's see on my next video, and this is about changing oil which is Tata Nano car, right? Okay, I'll do it myself, and you can do it